Hello everyone! Here we have a new lesson about advanced instruments which can turn AutoCAD in one of the most powerful programs, especially for the furniture specialists and designers. Let's separate all the information that we got from AutoCAD to categories. Here they are. We have a project, such an address, name or number of our project. Then we have a product. It could be kitchen, wardrobe, rack, chest of drawers or stairs or something. Then we have models, sections, complex broken into the smaller ones. Then we have details with their own names, material, and we have a final coating, like painting or plastic cover. All this coating and materials matter in our projects. Here I created furniture section, which made of veneer chipboard. I added an edge here. So we have some advanced instruments in AutoCAD to make your work more useful, more simple. There are a lot of advanced instruments that you can download in your AutoCAD one by one or all together. I will leave the link in description for you. These advanced instruments can help you with information output that I already told you, and it could help with 3D modeling. And today let's talk about information output. AutoCAD has its own properties that you can see here, such as color, layer, line type, line scale, and other. And now let's see on this AVC tab, where you can see much more properties that you can tune. For example, let's select the face of our facade. We can see in Face tab that the cover of our facade of this face is Paint Rel 9003. So you can set your own value here, and you can set the different values for all faces. Also we can set here an edge, and we can set also thickness of the edge, that when you will have a cutting list, you can see that the detail will be smaller by the thickness of the edge. We can set and save the information about the solid, and then we can output this information. Let's see how it works. Select section, it's only facades without furniture. Accessories, let's create a data table. And let's see what's inside this data table. Also we can export it to Microsoft Excel, for example. Here we can have a viewport with our furniture section. And let's create a projection view. Here we can mark some dimensions. The dimensions of our facades. Let's compare dimensions in view with dimensions in our table. We can see that in table it has a smaller size. It's because of the edges, and we can see that here we have the mark about edges. Here we can see that all edges is with 2 mm thick. So the program counts it automatically. Let's look what we also have here. We have a quantity, thickness, area, weight, sum of area. Also we can see in cover that this details is painting with this paint in front and rear. We can set all these settings in model space in our model, and then the program creates this table automatically. And info, it's the type of making this detail. Box means rectangular details that don't need CNC processing. This program can number all details automatically, but if you want, you can name it by yourself. You can make it here in a metric tab. Also, we can see that all details here sorts by material. Of course, you can tune this table like you want. You can add or delete some columns and tune them like you want. This detail have a lot of edges with not all of them with furniture edge on it. So the program show us the numbers, the dimensions where we need edge. Let's check it. We have 3 to 1 millimeters here, and in a table we have it with a furniture edge. And we have other edges here too. That's how it works. Also we have another instrument. When we have a complicated object and we want to show to our client or to production what's inside this section, we can use command TNT, and in 1 second we have this details exploded. Also we can name details in layout using smart leaders. It's another plugin, another advanced instrument, and you just click on a necessary detail and you can see the name and dimensions of this detail. Sometimes it could save a lot of time, and it's very useful. Okay, we're done with the drawing, and now we should output it, export it to CNC. Select our section and use command play. Let's copy this viewport from this layout. So we can see that the program lays out all details that we have and sorted by materials. Let's formalize this detail with using this advanced instruments. And using command ncp, we can make shortcuts and prepare this detail to CNC. We can see one click, we have a lot of information, a lot of work already done. It's a mark of the edge. We have here all dimensions of the furniture accessories, all diameters of the holes. Let's get back to the model space, and you can see that program automatically made shortcuts. You can make it using one detail like I did, or you can make it for all details using one viewport for all details. So as you can see, a lot of actions you can make with using only one click when you use these plugins. Also, I want to tell you about the command called fixture. It can set all furniture accessories automatically. Here I can show you. Here we can see that these details already connected with the graphics. Let's try to connect these details. But we have not holes here yet. So let's use the command gap. It works like subtract command, but without disappearing of objects. And now you can see our holes done. Use command lay for this item and formalize this layout. Let's use the command ncp again for this detail. And as you can see, in 1 second we have here all dimensions, all holes, and circuits, and it's ready for CNC. So in my opinion, this plugins is make AutoCAD a lot of more useful program for creating furniture. Let's use NCP for another detail. And we can see that the slopes here came automatically. Okay, and now I will show you another method of using these plugins in another project. Here we have difficult stairs. Let's formalize it. Here we have a plywood, and wood here, and you can see that I'm already used command lay and NCP to prepare this for CNC. And now I will show you how it looks like. Here we have a 3D view with smart leaders for all details that we have. We can see on this list the name, thickness, and material. For example, stair plywood, 18 millimeters, number 1. And then you can see in another list when you're already prepared this detail for CNC, you can see the same name that you will use further work with this. So the program makes it automatically without you. Let's use command lay here one more time, but we will tune to make a flat shot in this program. And here you can see in seconds how you can reach your goals for CNC machine. It's simple and fast. So if you want to work in AutoCAD more effectively, projects, if you want to learn how to earn more money without spending a lot of time, I invite you to our course, links in description. And also, if you're interested in plugins that we show here, also the link will be in description. You can read about plugins, but if you want to use them correctly, you should purchase our course. In our course, we have a lot of tutorials for using these plugins more effectively. They are very useful and saving a lot of time when you use them. So I recommend you to use them. For example, let's TNT these stairs. And you can see what happened. So we welcome you to our course. Thank you for watching.